Welcome back to another ZBolt unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the KBEAR KS2. So this is one of the most popular IEMs right now in the budget range, and KBEAR has been doing really great stuff as I've mentioned in my previous reviews, and this is no exception. So this is a hybrid earphone KBEAR, and you have that kind of custom IEM kind of design. 0.78 2-pin connector, 3.5mm jack, 20 to 20 kHz, 16 ohm impedance in your earphone. And yes, hybrid configuration, 1 BA and 10mm dynamic driver, and it's around $20. So in that kind of price, hybrids are really one of the more popular ones, because yes, you're getting pretty good value for your money, because you're getting that BA on top. It's a different kind of experience on the ear, especially for those starting out in the hobby. So KS2 is actually just released pretty recently, so still fairly new, but I did look at some of the measurements of some people, and it's pretty good tuning, so we're gonna try to listen to it. And of course, this is just your unboxing. Full review will come in the ZBolt channel. So it comes with a actually new KBEAR box. You don't have the green anymore. It's kind of a mature box, but it does look like more of a KZ type of packaging. You're getting that KBEAR and KBEAR logo also. So yeah, from the get-go, it's I think plastic in terms of the design. It's not your metal kind of design. And here at the bottom part, let's look at what you get with the accessories first. So accessories wise, you're getting a cable, and you're getting that brown cable, a KZ-esque cable, additional tips, and no case in this one. And of course that IEM right away. So let's put in the cable and check out the build quality of the IEM. Alright, so in terms of the cable, it's actually the KZ type of cable. Of course, not the most premium, and brown in color, which is something that I am not a fan of. You have preform earhooks, and it's okay. In terms of the stiffness, it's pretty loose, and you're getting that IEM right away. It says KBEAR, and yes, all plastic in design, and single color also. And actually it goes pretty deep on the ear, and it's a bit smaller compared to your KZs, so just a tad smaller, but it is a pretty similar shape. It's a pretty safe shape, I'd say. So let's put it on the ear and give you guys my impressions in how this wears on the ear. Alright, so on the ear, it's really stable on the ear. It does seal really good in this one. So the preform earhooks definitely helps out in making it stable on the ear. And also the sealing is really good. I did find that this very stable on the ear. So you can definitely move around with this with no issues at all. It can even maybe run with this. It's that stable on the ear, and because it does go inside your ear, it definitely holds in place compared to your other IEMs. And that's pretty comfortable also, because it's quite breathable. It's a pretty small IEM. It's not the biggest IEM in the world. Pretty light and small, so it does feel comfortable on the ear. So really nice wear here. This is a very safe, I'd say, shape. So let's have a listen and give you guys my initial impressions in how this sounds like. So maybe let's try some Incubus. Right off the bat, this is quite a musical IEM. That's pretty good extension at the top, lively sounding. The positioning of the vocals is pretty good in this one. I like also that the vocals are pretty revealing. The bass is definitely present in the mix, but it's not overly bassy. The bass is still pretty well controlled. Let's try another track, maybe some Journey. Some micro detail here also. It's pretty revealing sounding. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm hearing so far. How about Blue Eyes Blue? I'm liking the tuning in this one. This is definitely an audiophile kind of sound. That's my first listen. Alright, KBEAR KS2. Wow. Actually, I'm really impressed with my first listen in this one. Frankly, this might be right off the bat one of top 5 contender in the channel. So I do like that. I do like the tuning in this one. The vocal positioning is really good. It's pretty lively sounding. The bass is definitely present, but it's not overpowering. So right off the bat, even if I haven't listened to it more intently with more tracks and with a better rig, I do like the initial listen. I'm quite impressed with this one. So yes, I'm really excited to test this out and compare it to more IEMs. Of course, I'm gonna compare it to your blondes and your other $30 counterparts, KB04, KBEAR as well. I'm gonna compare it to that, and yeah, we'll give you my full review in this one in the zpol channel. So this your unboxing of the KS2. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, of course, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And of course, yes, I did launch my new single. I'm gonna link it down in the comments and description below. Check that one out. I mixed that and made all the instruments, recorded that at home. So check that one out, and hopefully you guys can support me in my music as well. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Goodbye.